Hello, so the ninth question is you need to write a code that prints a pattern like this. So how do you think that we do? First of all, try to do it by yourself again. So now um, you can use two for loops here. The first for loop, it will go from 1 till 5. The second for loop is used to see how many times you have to print it. So the second for loop is actually dependent on the first for loop. So the first for loop's counter. If the first for loop you use I as a counter, that means the second for loop is actually depending on I. Okay, let's see how to print it. Int 1, 5. So you go from 1 till 5. So for that you can use this for loop. Start from 1 till 5, you plus increment it. Then the inner for loop, you create another variable called j, and then you can start from 0 because it doesn't matter the value of uh, the initial value as long as you can follow the I. So must be smaller, the j must be smaller than I, and then j plus plus, and then just print I, and then give a line break. Let's see it works first. Yep, it's working. So what's happening here? Okay, let's say the initial value of I is 1, right? Now you see if j is 0. If 0 is smaller than 1, well, yeah, it is smaller than 1. So now you print I, which is the I, which is 1. And now j is 1. So is 1 smaller than 1? No, it's not. So you get out of the loop. So now you give a line break. Well, now let's say I is equals to 2. When I equals to 2 and now j equals to 0, the first initial j. And now you need to repeat this thing 2 times, or repeat printing the I 2 times. And when I is 3, then you repeat printing I 3 times. So it's following I. So this is where sometimes you use the counter used in the outer loop inside the inner loop. Actually inside the inner loop. Yeah, okay. Hopefully you understand it, and if you try to increase the value maybe 6, it will still work. Yeah, so thank you. Next question 10, and I'll do in another video. Thank you.